In the world of manufacturing, few countries can boast a legacy as rich and impactful as Germany. When you hear the phrase made in Germany, it often conjures images of precision engineering, high quality products, and a commitment to excellence that seems to be woven into the very fabric of the nation. Today, I want to take you on a journey through 10 vital lessons that manufacturing companies around the globe can learn from German precision engineering. Whether you're a seasoned professional in the industry or just someone curious about what makes German manufacturing stand out, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with the first lesson, an unwavering emphasis on quality control. German manufacturers have built their reputation on rigorous quality standards. Imagine a production line where every component is scrutinized, from the moment raw materials arrive to the final product leaving the factory. This meticulous attention to detail means that when you purchase a German-made product, you can trust that it has undergone comprehensive testing at every stage. It's not just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding them. Companies like BMW and Bosch have set the bar high, ensuring that their products are synonymous with reliability and durability. Next, let's talk about innovation and technological integration. Germany is at the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution, known as Industry 4.0. This isn't just a buzzword, it represents a paradigm shift in how manufacturing operates, with automation, IoT, and AI playing pivotal roles. German companies embrace these technologies to optimize production efficiency and enhance product quality. For instance, the concept of a digital twin allows engineers to create virtual replicas of products for testing before they even hit the production floor. This proactive approach minimizes errors and boosts overall quality. Now, we can't overlook the importance of research and development. German manufacturers are not afraid to invest significantly in R&D, and this commitment is a game changer. It's not just about keeping up with trends, it's about setting them. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and iterative product development, companies can adapt quickly to market demands while maintaining high standards. This proactive stance allows them to anticipate future trends and stay ahead of the competition. Speaking of staying ahead, let's discuss the apprenticeship programs that Germany is famous for. These programs are a cornerstone of the country's manufacturing success. They blend theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience, producing a highly skilled workforce. The dual education system allows apprentices to specialize in high-demand areas, ensuring that the manufacturing sector has a steady supply of talent. This isn't just beneficial for the companies, it's a win-win for the apprentices, who often transition smoothly into full-time roles upon completion of their training. Another vital lesson is the focus on sustainability and environmental responsibility. In today's world, consumers are more conscious than ever about the environmental impact of their purchases. German manufacturers recognize this and have made significant strides in adopting sustainable practices. From optimizing production processes to integrating renewable energy sources, the commitment to environmental stewardship is evident. Companies are not only reducing their ecological footprint, but also appealing to a market that increasingly values sustainability. Efficient supply chain management is also a hallmark of German manufacturing. The seamless orchestration of supply chains ensures that materials flow smoothly, reducing costs and enhancing efficiency. Techniques like just-in-time inventory systems minimize excess stock, while strong relationships with suppliers foster collaboration and reliability. This integrated approach ensures that companies can adapt quickly to changes in demand, maintaining a competitive edge in a fast-paced market. Customization and flexibility are crucial in today's manufacturing landscape. German manufacturers excel at tailoring products to meet specific customer needs while remaining adaptable to market shifts. Modular production systems and efficient changeover processes allow for quick adjustment, ensuring that companies can respond swiftly to evolving consumer preferences. This high degree of customization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also strengthens brand loyalty. Let's not forget the collaboration between industry and academia, which is a unique aspect of the German approach. By fostering partnerships with educational institutions, companies can ensure that their workforce is equipped with the latest skills and knowledge. This collaboration leads to joint innovation initiatives and technology transfer, creating a dynamic ecosystem that benefits both parties. It's a model that other countries can certainly learn from. Adaptability to market demands is another critical lesson. In a world where consumer preferences can change overnight, German manufacturers have mastered the art of responsiveness. By investing in robust demand forecasting and planning systems, they can anticipate shifts in the market and adjust production accordingly. This proactive approach allows them to stay ahead of competitors and meet evolving customer expectations. Finally, let's talk about the commitment to long-term success. German manufacturers prioritize strategic planning with a focus on sustainable growth. This means investing in employee development, building strong customer relationships, and adhering to ethical business practices. By fostering a culture of integrity, and transparency. These companies build trust and credibility, ensuring their place in the market for years to come. So, there you have it, the 10 lessons in engineering excellence that manufacturing companies can learn from German precision. From quality control and innovation to sustainability and adaptability, these principles provide a roadmap for success in a rapidly changing industry. As we navigate the challenges and opportunities of the global manufacturing landscape, let's take a page from Germany's playbook and strive for excellence that goes beyond the immediate horizon. Embracing these lessons not only enhances operational efficiency and competitiveness, but also positions companies to make a positive impact on the environment, society, and the industry at large. In conclusion, the legacy of German precision engineering beckons us all to reach for excellence, to innovate, and to build a sustainable future. Whether you're a manufacturer, a consumer, or just someone interested in the intricacies of industry, these lessons resonate deeply. Let's strive to embody the spirit of German engineering, where precision, quality, and a commitment to continuous improvement reign supreme. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of engineering excellence.